Hi everyone, my name is Sofia Ortiz and today I will be introducing you to an incredible tool called Quizlet. When I think about Quizlet, the first thing that comes to my mind are flashcards. But did you know there is so much more than you can do? In 2005, Andrew Sutherland created a tool to help him study with his French vocabulary for a test. After he aced his exam, he realized the potential of the tool he had just created and decided to share it with his friends. Nowadays, the website is visited by over 50 million students every month who make use of the 300 million user-generated flashcard sets. What is Quizlet? Quizlet is an online study tool and phone app available on the Apple App Store and Google Play Store that allows students to learn multiple subjects including languages, science, arts and humanities, math, social science, and other through 5 learning modes and 2 interactive games. The two most common study tools that you will see in Quizlet are a study set, which is a list of terms paired with a matching definition, a diagram set that includes an illustration map, chart, or photo label with points and terms. As I mentioned before, there are 5 study modes. The first one is Learn, which creates a personalized study plan based on the student's previous answers. When studying with Learn, you will be given a fixed mix of flashcards, multiple choice, and written questions. As you answer them correctly, you will start receiving harder question types, meaning that there will be more written and flashcard types of questions than multiple choice. Flashcard mode is mainly used to review terms and definitions or questions with answers, which can be viewed randomly using the shuffle option or heard using the text-to-speech audio. Write mode allows you to type in the answer to a question or the definition to a term that will then be marked as correct or incorrect, so you can go back and review the content one more time. Spell mode is specifically used for studying a new language or practicing spelling and pronunciation. What it does is that it reads aloud using text-to-speech audio, allowing you to type what you hear. Test mode is, as its name indicates, allows you to take a practice test to see how prepared you are for an actual test. Now, the fun part is that there are 2 games that can help you study. The first one is matching game, where you are given a limited amount of time to match all the terms with its respective definition. In addition, you can keep track of your score and compete with friends or classmates. The other game is called Gravity, where every right answer gets you closer to the next level, but you need to type answer as quickly as possible before the asteroids fall and the force of gravity increase. So who creates the study guides? These study guides are often created and shared by users. However, Quizlet offers premium content made by world-class publishers, expert educators, and non-profit organizations known as verified creators on the app, which are only available for purchase. So how much does Quizlet cost? Quizlet can be used for free by anyone around the world. The only condition to review unlimited material is to sign up for a free account. In addition, Quizlet offers 2 types of annual subscription. You can either pay $44.99 for Quizlet Go or $59.99 for Quizlet Plus. The website offers a free 14-day trial and then $5 or $3.75 per month. However, be warned that you will be billed for a whole year subscription depending on the type of subscription that you decide to try out. The difference between free Quizlet and Quizlet Go is that you get offline access and ad-free studying. When you sign up for Quizlet Plus, you will unlock multiple premium tools such as rich text formatting, custom images, diagram creation, document scan, personalized study pads, smart grading, among others. How to use Quizlet? The first thing to do is to go to their website and click on the Get Started. This will open a registration form that you need to fill out in order to create your free account. You can also register using your Gmail or Facebook account, as I'm doing it right now. It will then ask you whether a teacher or a parent interested in using Quizlet to engage with the student in the classroom or help your kids studying for a test. You can then use the search icon on the upper side to look for specific topics. For example, I am going to search the word psychology. It will then show me a list of results that include both certified and user-generated study guides. So how can you determine if your study guide is made by an expert? Easy, all you need to do is look for the blue check mark beside the author's name, just like I'm doing here. Since I have the most relevant filter enabled here, the first option in my list are the study guides with the higher star rating, which are also considered bestsellers. Now, as I mentioned before, these are premium study guides that must be purchased. If we click here, it will show me the study sets include reviews information about the creator and of course the price, which is $8.99. In this case, this is a study guide created by Academia Media Premium, which includes 12 study sets with text-to-speech. If we scroll down, we see a study guide created by Shauna Dohany, which has high star rating and is free to use. You can also filter the result by most relevant as well. Please note that you can also opt for downloading the app and use your phone to access the study guides and game to practice everywhere you go. However, for this presentation, I will be only showing you how to access Quizlet on your computer so that it's easier to follow. When you download the app, the search process and the tools are exactly the same, just in different format. Once you become a master in Quizlet, you can create your own study guides, combining different types of questions and include interactive diagrams and games that you and everyone else can use. How can Quizlet be used in an educational setting? Like any learning tool that can be included in the educational process for a student, Quizlet allows the students to process the information coming from different forms and methods. In this case, the use of flashcards that contain sounds and images, which thus is more functional, inclusive, and in a format that accommodates different learning styles that students may have. Quizlet is also a great resource for teachers looking for new ways to engage students, encourage them to study more often. This is for Quizlet 2020. Will I recommend Quizlet? I will definitely recommend Quizlet to both the students and educators because it is a fun and interactive way of studying and challenging yourself. Not only does this help you prepare for tests, but it also allows you to deeply understand the material. Studying for an exam can be tough. Many of us spend hours trying to memorize information but just reading the material over and over again, which is not always effective. So studying tools like Quizlet can help you improve the way you study and process the information at no cost. At Quizlet, we believe that anyone can learn anything. All it takes is a tenacious spirit, the right guidance, and the tool to see it through. Quizlet 2020. Thank you.